Hello YouTubers, today we are going to take a look at the Supermarine Spitfire, and this is a 1/32nd scale model. This is a big one. This is one of the expensive ones. They make various other 1/32nd scale model planes, Tamiya does, and they are really outstanding kits, but you're going to have to pay a little for them. I was lucky and got this one for $100. Most of the time they're more than that, but it just depends on how bad you want one, and if you want one, something cool to have. So I'm really digging the box art. Looks pretty cool. If you haven't seen the movie Dunkirk, you might want to check that out. There's some real nice shots of these in that movie you can check out. So watch that movie. Here's the side, different paint jobs, which is pretty nice. Now that's the French Air Force, and this is the Polish fighting team, 145th Squadron, Tunisia, 1943. I might do it like that just for something different. I mean, this is your British version, but I don't know, I may do the Polish version. I think that would be something different, kind of cool looking. Take a look at the side. The other side looks just like that. And we'll take a look there, and later on in the video you'll see some pictures up close of these. That way you kind of know what you're getting. You get some photo etch parts in there. That's nice. And I'm sure I don't see any age restrictions on it, but I'm sure it's, like always, 14 and up. So let's get into this kit. Oh wow, just opening up this box, look at that. Very professional. I like that. Let's check this out. There is your canopy, all of your clear pieces. Looks outstanding. Not going to take those out of the bag. There is the bottom of your wing. Whoa. I mean, wow. This is awesome. This kit is going to be really, really cool to do. Lots of fun. I can tell you right now, I am biased for Tamiya airplanes. They are great. Look at the detail. That is outstanding. Look at that. That is very, very cool. There's some more parts of the back wing. So let's take a look at those. That looks really, really nice. I want you to see the detail in that. That looks really, really cool. A lot of potential there. And we haven't even gotten into the good stuff yet. Oh, this here is your fuselage. This is going to be a big plane, but not extremely big. I mean, I've seen 1/48 scale bombers bigger than this, so that's nice. Not going to take up a whole lot of room, but check that out. Let's check out the inside. Look, that looks great. That looks great. And then here, just to give you an idea of how long that is. That's really, really cool. What else we got here? Some more pieces right there. Here, now we're going to get into the good stuff. Here is the engine. This is what you're going to have fun with. And you can't waste all of that detail. Wow. You can't just seal that up for no one to see. Look at that engine. Look at all that detail. I strongly encourage you to look up pictures of the real plane and use them when you are building this engine to make it look as real and as detailed as possible, because this kit is amazing. That is gorgeous. They do a great job. Great, great job. Let's check this out. We got some more pieces. These are both the same tree. That looks good. Looks like it's all part of the under part of the plane. So that's really cool looking. You got some more panels. I don't know if you can, I would leave panels off if there's pieces underneath that you can put some detail on and really make it look good. I mean, there's some more to it right there. Look at that. You can see that. Look at how detailed that is. That is great. That is outstanding. Here's your landing gears. And the covers on them. Oops. This one is going to give me problems. Let's get that out. Oh, wow. They're both the same. Let's check that out. That looks great. A lot of detail there. Once again, there is a lot of potential here in this kit. Amazing potential. Look at those propellers. Wow. They look great. You can even go crazy with those. You could weather them. You could make them look brand new. Just kind of depends on what you want to do with this plane. I mean, 2 pieces. Look at that. That looks great. That looks great. Look at that. This kit is awesome. And here is your pilot. Now this is interesting because I'm kind of interested to see what this, you can do the pilot one of 2 ways. You can have him outside standing by the plane. That's a nice head sculpt. Good looking uniform there. Or you can put him inside the plane, which is probably what I'll end up doing. Let's check out that head sculpt. Looks pretty good. But yeah, very detailed. I like that. It looks awesome. And here's some more parts. There's some more parts. You cannot, there's the landing gears. You cannot go wrong with Tamiya planes, no matter what size they are. And they sell these 1/48 scale, 1/72 scale, Tamiya does. So you're probably going to get the same amount of detail in those. If you want to downgrade, make it smaller. This looks great. Look at that. I mean, that's outstanding. Look at the detail. Look at that. That is great. Wow. Got to give it to the sculptors. They do an amazing job. This is your cockpit. Look at that. Wow. Lots of parts. Look at how detailed all that stuff is. That is great. This is a great kit. This is one of them ones you start, and it may take you 6 months to finish if you're going to really get into it. Well, I don't know. You might be pretty quick. You might be able to finish it in a few days. But, wow. Really, really nice stuff. Let's see what we got here. Here, this is your base. So that's nice that they give you that. Now let's look at this first. Here's your decals. Several sheets in there. You can get different kinds. There's that. That's really nice. Give you a lot of decals for the different styles that you can do. Look at that. You do how many different styles. And then, they even give you, that's for your canopy. That is great. It's really nice that they throw in the masking for your canopies now. You know, they never did that years ago. If you don't have the masking included, or if you don't have masking tape to do it or don't know how to do it, I strongly recommend this. This is the Vallejo liquid mask, and you can just paint over everything that you don't want painted, spray the canopy, and then just peel that off, and it really does a good job. I've done that on quite a few planes. Look at this. Wow, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Look at the engine. Look at that. Wow. Lots of information. That's really cool. That is really, really cool. Nice little booklet. Yeah, that's really nice what they give you. Ooh, here, this is what we want. This is what I'm talking about. Checking out pictures of that engine to try to make it as detailed as you possibly can. And trust me, they have all kinds of paint for this. AK, Vallejo, MIG. They all have all kinds of awesome paints that you can use for this kit and a lot of other ones. And there, look at that. There is your engine. I mean, wow. Very, very detailed. Look at that. Look at the cockpit. That's amazing. That is amazing. Look at that. That is great. You're not going to find that in other kits. You're not going to find that kind of detail. That's for sure. That is outstanding. Really, really nice. Really nice instruction manual. And there's your sheet if you want to paint like this, or you could make a nice poster out of it too. So that is really, really cool. If you like planes in general, if you want something that is worth the money, that has a lot of detail, that you want to take your time on and really make look nice, and something that you're going to be proud of when you're done with it, I strongly recommend this kit. And I always recommend Tamiya kits, and I always recommend Airfix kits. But Tamiya kits, you can't go wrong with these planes or their jets. Everything lines up. All the seams, you don't have to fill in. They're really great models, and they are definitely an outfit. Tamiya is to be respected for their craftsmanship and what they put into these, and their sculptors do an excellent job. It's just amazing. So if this is something you want, you really need to check that out. You can find this online. You might be able to find it on Amazon, or you could even go to a hobby shop and check them out, see if you can find it there. And yeah, and then happy modeling. So thank a veteran today. Tell them how much you appreciate what they've done for you. Shake their hand, give them a hug. Thank you for your service. And God bless.